Hi guys. If you noticed, we're looking for partners in the local areas. Where you are from, which country, which town, would you interested to partner with worktravel.agency and create local landing page for you? Let me know, comment below.
Did you know that companies with strong onboarding processes improve new hire retention by 82% and boost productivity by more than 70%? That's right. At Work Travel Agency, we know just how important it is to get off to a strong start, especially when it comes to remote jobs. The difference between a smooth onboarding experience and a chaotic one could make or break your new role. But don't worry. In this video, we're sharing the secrets to quick and stress-free onboarding in just 2 easy steps. Whether you're new to remote work or just looking to refine your process, stick around because this video is for you.
We'll be recording today remote work opportunities for retirement, for students, for freelancers, and potential partners, local partners, and how quickly we can follow 2 steps. We can start cooperation, identify your competence, and etc. So I'm going to the forum now, and you can see here is the categories, and one of them is remote working onboarding.
Welcome back to Work Travel Agency. If you're new here, we're all about helping you find easy online remote jobs that fit your lifestyle. Whether you dream of working while traveling or simply enjoying the flexibility of working from home, we're here to make that journey smooth and simple. Today, we're diving into onboarding for remote jobs. It's an important but often overlooked step that sets the tone for your success. A well-planned onboarding process can make you feel confident, connected, and ready to tackle anything. So let's jump right in and show you how to master it. Starting a new job is always exciting, but let's be honest, when it's remote, there are extra layers of complexity. Picture this, it's your first day. You've got your coffee ready, your laptop is open, but you're immediately hit with questions like, where do I log in? Who do I report to? Or, what even is this tool I'm supposed to use? It's frustrating, right? Many remote workers face these challenges. Miscommunication is a big one. When you're working from a distance, simple things like unclear emails or vague instructions can leave you feeling lost. Then there's the loneliness. Without an office environment, it's easy to feel disconnected from your team. And let's not forget the learning curve that comes with new software and platforms. All of this can make onboarding feel overwhelming. At Work Travel Agency, we've seen these struggles time and time again, and that's why we're here to help. We're breaking down the solution into 2 simple steps that will transform your onboarding experience. These steps aren't just practical, they're game changers that will set you up for long-term success. The first step is to familiarize yourself with the tools you'll be using. Remote work depends heavily on technology. Whether it's communication platforms like Slack or Teams, video conferencing tools like Zoom, or project management software like Asana or Trello, these are the lifelines that keep remote teams connected and organized. Before your first day, spend some time exploring these tools. Watch tutorials, play around with the features, and make sure you're comfortable using them. The more confident you are with the tools, the smoother your first few days will be. The second step is to establish clear expectations from the get-go. Communication is the backbone of remote work. From day 1, make sure you understand what's expected of you. What are your main tasks? Who do you report to? How will your progress be tracked? Don't be afraid to ask questions or request clarity. Employers appreciate employees who take initiative and want to get things right. At Work Travel Agency, we believe that every remote worker deserves clarity and structure. That's why we connect you with jobs where expectations are laid out clearly, so you can hit the ground running without any unnecessary guesswork. Here's the part that really makes a difference: building personal connections. Working remotely can sometimes feel isolating, but it doesn't have to be that way. Taking the time to connect with your team is one of the best things you can do during the onboarding process. At Work Travel Agency, we help you go beyond finding jobs. We guide you to uncover your unique strengths. With just 2 steps, you can identify your unique competence. First, reflect on your expertise and passions to discover your micro-niche. And second, create a transformation statement that highlights the impact you can make. It's not just about sharing information, it's about delivering transformation. Introduce yourself in a team chat. Attend those virtual meetings, even if they seem optional. Schedule a one-on-one video call with a colleague or your manager. These small steps go a long way in helping you feel part of the team. When you build relationships, you'll not only feel more engaged, but also work more effectively. It's easier to collaborate and ask for help when you know and trust the people you're working with. At Work Travel Agency, we encourage team bonding, even in a remote setting. So whether you're working from a cozy cafe or a sunny beach, you'll always feel like part of the team. To sum it up, onboarding for remote jobs doesn't have to be overwhelming. By familiarizing yourself with the tools you'll be using, setting clear expectations, and building personal connections, you can make the process smooth and stress-free. These steps are simple but powerful, and they'll set you up for success in any remote role. At Work Travel Agency, we're here to make your remote work journey as easy and enjoyable as possible. From finding the right job to navigating onboarding, we've got you covered every step of the way. Now it's your turn. What's been your experience with remote onboarding? Have you had a smooth start? Or were there some bumps along the way? Share your story in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you're ready to explore easy online remote jobs that let you work from anywhere in the world, hit that subscribe button and join the Work Travel Agency family. Together, we'll make your remote work dreams a reality. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.